We want to solve and graph each inequality and then express the solution using interval notation. Remember, when solving an inequality, if we multiply or divide by a negative, we must reverse the inequality symbol. So looking at our first example, a fraction bar means division, so we can read this x divided by -2 is greater than +3. So to isolate x, we'll have to undo this division, and the opposite operation of division is multiplication. So we'll have to multiply both sides of this inequality by -2. And because this is in fraction form, we'll go ahead and put this over 1. And here we have -2 over -2, which is simplified to 1. So we have x on the left. And then because we multiplied by a negative, we do have to reverse this inequality symbol. So instead of greater than, it's going to be less than. And on the right side, we have -6. So our solution is x is less than -6. Notice that -6 does not satisfy this inequality and therefore is not in the interval. So to show this, we'll make an open point on -6, and then for values less than -6, we'll have an arrow to the left. So here's the graph of our solution, and then to write this interval using interval notation, we need to recognize as we move left on the number line, we would be approaching -infinity. Therefore, using interval notation, for the interval from -6 to -infinity, not including -6, we'll have -infinity, comma -6. We'll use a rounded parenthesis on -infinity as well as on -6. This rounded parenthesis tells us that -6 is not in the interval or that the interval is open on -6. Looking at our second example, we have 2/3 times x is greater than or equal to +4. Now because the 2/3 and the x are connected by multiplication, we're probably thinking we should divide both sides by 2/3. But remember, dividing by 2/3 is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, which means in this case we'll multiply both sides by 3/2, the reciprocal of 2/3. We'll go ahead and write 4 as 4 over 1. And here's the reason why we multiplied by the reciprocal. Here we have a 3 over 3 and a 2 over 2. So the left side simplifies to just x. The inequality symbol stays the same. And then on the right side we have 3/2 times 4. Well, 2 and 4 share a common factor of 2. There's 1, 2, and 2, and 2 2's and 4. So here we have 6 over 1, or just 6. So we have x is greater than or equal to +6. And notice now 6 does satisfy this inequality because of the equal part. So to show this, we make a closed point on +6. And then for numbers greater than 6, we have an arrow to the right. And as we move right on the number line, we would be approaching +infinity. Therefore, using interval notation, we would have the interval from 6 to infinity, where it now includes +6, so it's closed on 6, so we use a square bracket, showing it includes the endpoint. And then for infinity, we use a rounded parenthesis. So on these two problems, we've shown the solution 3 different ways: as an inequality, as a graph, and also using interval notation.